Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shilaka Goshal. Durga Puja starts today, so आज का video is about me sharing everything that I got for Durga Puja, and not just for myself but also for my parents and my sister as well. So yeah, of course आज का video try on video नहीं होगा because honestly I want to wear everything during Puja and not before that. So if you guys want to see me wearing everything, then head to my Instagram. I'll post pictures there whenever I wear stuffs that I'm going to show you today. So yeah, आज का video I'll just show you guys the models ने जो पहना है and my honest review about all these stuffs I got, and I'll show you जो local store के items है as well. So without much further ado, let's start with the video. With my dad, the first kurta that I got for him is this particular mustard yellow color kurta. This is from the brand House of Pataudi, and they have amazing kurta collections. I mean, if you want to buy something for your father or for your brother, then House of Pataudi is your brand because they have amazing festive collection. This is a nice mustard color kurta and इसके ऊपर maroon and navy blue color के stars है, and this is true to size. So my dad wears 40 medium and I got it in the same size 40 medium. It fits him perfectly, so it is perfectly true to size. You don't have to go one size up या फिर one size down. It is true to size. And just look at the color, it looks so pretty. It's like perfect festive color kurta. Really nice piece, amazing quality, really a perfect piece for festive season, not just for Durga Puja. You can definitely go and check House of Pataudi for Diwali as well, because unke Diwali ke time bhi they have sale and you can get amazing deals. So inke kurtas are little expensive because basic range starts from 2000 rupees, but they have amazing collection, totally worth it. But sale ke time mein you can get it for little cheaper. So this is again for 2000 rupees, but I got it for 1500 या 1600 कुछ during the sale, and this Myntra sale is I guess still on, so this is like perfect time for you to go and check out Myntra and House of Pataudi if you want to buy kurtas for your father or for your brother, or if you're a guy and you want to buy it for yourself, then definitely go and check out Myntra now, as House of Pataudi is on Myntra. So it's like perfect festive season kurta. I really love this and it fits him perfectly. It looks amazing on him. The color, it will go on all skin tones. So really a perfect festive piece. The next kurta that I got for my dad is this particular one. It is silver and navy blue color. So it is typical like festive season wala kurta. You will see many people wearing it because its color combination is so rich. The silver, grey and navy blue. So iska original price is 1799, but I got it during sale for around 1000 या फिर 1100. I don't exactly remember, but I'll put the price somewhere on the screen. But इसके लिए you will have to go a size up because my dad usually wears medium size 40, but this one I had to get large. I actually got medium, but medium उनको fit नहीं हुआ, तो I had to get it exchanged for large, and large fits him perfectly. So if you want to buy jumpers ka kurta, then definitely go one size up because they are little tight. So yeah, it's a nice kurta, nice festive wala color. It is that dhupcha wala color which will reflect in sunlight, and even when focus light will like fall on the kurta. So it's a nice piece, definitely a perfect festive kurta. So you can go for jumpers kurta as well. They are quite cheap. So basically their kurtas start from 700 rupees and it will go up based on the variety you want to go for. So this one is priced at 1800, but I got it for like much lesser during the sale season. So I definitely check out jumpers kurta as well. So moving on to my mom, the first sari that I got from my mom is this mauvish onion color sari. I really love the color. The main reason I got it is the color. I fell in love with this color, and I got this from a local store in Dombivli. So I'm not sure if you will find the similar piece online, but definitely go and check your local stores before going online because बहुत सारे amazing pieces है जो आपको local store में मिल जाएंगे and you won't find them online. So yeah, it's really nice. इसके पूरे साड़ी में there is like stone का work, and also at the border पूरा covered है वो stone से, and even pallu में भी there is this stone का work and also some tassels. So really pretty saree, really pretty color. It looks really royal and really amazing. I love this color, so I'm really happy with the purchase. I got it for somewhere around 2500 from the local store. Totally worth it, really amazing saree. Next saree that I got from my mom is again from the local store. So it is this grey सिल्वर सॉर्ट कलर एंड इसके ऊपर पूरा देर इज लाइक ट्री का प्रिंट ऑल ओवर इट एंड ऑल्सो ग्रे एंड वाइट कलर के टैसल्स. So it's a really nice sari. I really loved it because of the whole vibe, the grey color and silver color ka. It looks really nice and royal and I loved it, and especially during night when we go out for the darshan and pandal hopping, so she can wear this and she can get amazing pictures because of the light falling on it, and it will like really nicely show up in the light. So I really loved it. It's a nice color and I honestly love grey color. It gives really nice look, so I really loved it, and I also wanted her to try grey color. She doesn't have grey color that much, so that's the reason I got it, and she loved it. So yeah, really nice sari. So that's the reason I tell you guys to go and check the local stores before going online, because बहुत सारे pieces gems you will find in local stores जो online मिलना possible नहीं है. So yeah, definitely go and check out local stores and try to find something in grey color and you will totally love it. So the last sari that I got from my mom is this hot pink golden Kanjivaram sari. So I got this from Myntra again during sale season. So I got this for around 1400, but its original price is printed as 4000 rupees. So it's a nice Kanjivaram sari, typical like festive sort of color, ekdam tadak bhadak color hai. And I honestly love hot pink color and I'm totally in love with hot pink this season. So that's the reason I got her, and I got one hot pink sari for myself as well. So I got her this Kanjivaram nice pink and golden combination, and it looks really nice, and again typical like festive wala color hai ye. So it looks really nice and I love this sari. And Kanjivaram is like apna age old wala hai yaar. You can't really go wrong with Kanjivaram. Just pick a Kanjivaram and you're all set for festive season. You don't have to like wear a lot of jewelry with Kanjivaram, because the sari is only enough to like make you stand out from the crowd. So yeah, this is really nice, amazing pick at great price. So definitely check out Myntra ka Kanjivaram saris and you will love it. It is really pretty. Moving to my sister, the first kurta that I got from my sister is again hot pink. Not exactly hot pink, but yeah, hot pink magenta mix wala color. So it is this nice kurta with golden like dot over it, so it matches to my mom ka Kanjivaram sari, so she can definitely like twin with her wearing this kurta. So it's a really pretty kurta. It's a single strap kurta from the brand Anok, and I honestly love Anok ki kurtas. I have lot of Anok, and that's the reason I wanted her to try. She doesn't like have any Anok ka kurta, and after wearing this she's totally in love with the brand because inka material is really good and the sizing, it is true to size. So basically I'll say thoda loose bhi, so that even if you wash it and it happens to like thoda sa chad jaye dhone ke baad, still it will fit you perfectly. Ye tight nahi hoga aapko. It is like perfect kurta. I love Anok ka kurtas. Definitely go and check out the brand. They have amazing single strap kurtas mainly. I love them, so definitely check out. It's one of my most favorite brand on Myntra. So yeah, this is a really pretty hot pink kurta. So she loved it, and yeah, she's in love with Anok brand now and single strap kurtas. So definitely try out their kurtas, and amazing piece. The next piece that I got for my sister is this 3-piece Jaipuri kurta set. So this is again from Myntra from the brand Libas, and इसमें you get pant, kurtas and dupatta, and इसका pant is not a typical palazzo wala, but it is like tapered at the end. So इसका दुपट्टा is also like अनारकली, तो typical perfect वो अनारकली सूट वाला vibe देता है. It looks really nice and it is like complete full frill वाला अनारकली, full sleeves, and it looks really simple. ऐसा लगता है देख के कि it is very simple, but when you wear it, it feels so comfortable and so nice. It is pure cotton and true to size, so definitely go to the size that you wear. But थोड़ा problem हो सकता है after you wash, because wash करने के बाद pure cotton थोड़ा चढ़ जाएगा वो, तो हो सकता है if it is like perfect like एकदम tight fitting वाला to your body, थोड़ा extra tight हो सकता है and it may not like feel that good after washing, first wash के बाद. So go a size like larger, I would say एक size बड़ा ले लो, because wash करने के बाद अगर वो थोड़ा चढ़ भी गया तो you won't have any problem. So really nice kurta, full frill के साथ, and even the dupatta, it is like full dupatta, full size dupatta 2.25 मीटर का, and even like complete printed है, and पूरा end में इसका ये गोटा पत्ती वाला वर्क है, सो इट लुक्स रियली नाइस. कंप्लीट प्रिंटेड दुपट्टा है, तो पूरा सेट लुक्स रियली नाइस. कुछ भी प्लेन या फिर ऐसा फीका सा नहीं है. परफेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन. इट लुक्स रियली गुड. वाइट एंड ग्रीन, मिंट ग्रीन सॉर्ट ऑफ कलर का कॉम्बिनेशन. सो परफेक्ट फिट. Fits her perfectly, that's the main thing, and it looks really nice and gives you that typical royal look. So really a nice pick. The first kurta that I got for myself is this green color kurta from India. It's really nice and इसके ऊपर golden foil print है, and it is not exactly the color that they have shown in the picture, but honestly I love this color more than what they have shown in the picture. It is nice unique green color, olive से थोड़ा सा light. So yeah, not typical dark green वाला color जो हर जगह मिल जाएगा. It's really nice. I got it in size small, and इसके side में they have given chain, and it's nice long kurta. I really loved it. It looks really nice. I'm going to pair it with golden leggings, and उसके लिए specially I got this golden dupatta. I got this from Amazon. Dupatta I got it from Amazon. It's a nice golden dupatta, plus इसके ऊपर golden color का stars चिपकाया हुआ है, टिकली. So really nice combination. It goes well. I love the whole green and gold combination. So definitely check out India brand. They have amazing festive pieces from skirt, crop tops, skirts and crop tops, lehenga wala set, and even dhoti pants, everything. Amazing collection. So yeah, perfect for festive season. So definitely go and check out. And this is like, I love this kurta. I'm totally in love with this. It looks really pretty. So yeah, nice piece. The next piece I got from Nykaa Fashion. It's from brand Tijori. So it is this rust orange color kurta. So it is a A-line kurta. Side में slit नहीं है इसका. It looks really nice and fits perfectly. But इसका length मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा है. So I am 5'5", तो मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा. I don't have to wear पलाजो या स्कर्ट इसके नीचे. इट कम्स विद दिस ग्रीन कलर का पलाजो. इट इज अ नाइस, बहुत ज्यादा फ्लेयर वाला पलाजो. आई मीन जस्ट लुक एट इट, इसका फ्लेयर कितना ज्यादा है. एंड सेम रस्ट ऑरेंज कलर का इसके नीचे थ्रेड वर्क है. द कॉम्बिनेशन, द होल सेट लुक्स रियली गुड. बट ये कुर्ता मेरे लिए बहुत एक्सट्रीम लंबा है, सो आई हैव टू गेट इट ऑल्टर्ड नीचे से. सो इसके साइड में कट वट कुछ भी नहीं है. इट्स लाइक अ नॉर्मल ए लाइन कुर्ता, प्लेन. एंड बस इसके आगे थोड़ा सा ऐसे ऑफ वाइट कलर का थ्रेड वर्क है. इट्स अ नाइस पीस. इट्स फ्रॉम द ब्रांड तिजोरी. यू विल गेट दिस ऑन मिंत्रा एज वेल, बट मिंत्रा पे इसका साइज अवेलेबल नहीं था मेरे लिए. दैट्स द रीजन आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम Nykaa Fashion. एंड वहाँ पे भी सेल है फॉर द होल नवरात्रि सीजन का. दैट्स द रीजन ये बहुत कम में पड़ गया था मेरे को. आई डोंट एक्जैक्टली रिमेंबर द प्राइस, बट आई पुट इट ऑन द स्क्रीन. आई गॉट इन साइज स्मॉल, बट मेरे को लगता है कि एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल भी फिट हो जाता मेरे को. इट्स अ नाइस कुर्ता, बट आई हैव टू गेट इट ऑल्टर थोड़ा सा, इवन लेंथ एंड इवन साइड से थोड़ा सा, बिकॉज थोड़ा बड़ा है ये मेरे लिए. पलाजो फिट्स परफेक्टली. आई मीन लाइक परफेक्ट वेस्ट साइज. अगर मैंने इससे एक साइज छोटा लिया होता तो पलाजो मेरे को नहीं फिट होता. सो कुर्ता को ऑल्टर कराना पड़ेगा. बट डेफिनेटली अ गुड कॉम्बिनेशन. थोड़ा सिंपल है बट रियली अ नाइस कॉम्बिनेशन. एकदम थोड़ा सोबर एंड क्लासी अगर लुक चाहिए, यू जस्ट वांट टू वेयर लाइक हैवी जंक ज्वेलरी एंड this, then perfect combination. So definitely go for Tijori brand. They have amazing kurtis, just kurtis as well. So nice brand, great prices, great quality. Last clothing item that I got for myself is this sari from Suta. So I really love that whole brand because it is like pure cotton sustainable brand, and this is like hot pink and side में orange color के tassels है. It looks orange on the screen but it is mostly like red and orange, पूरा combination वाला color है. It is super soft, feels really good and it smells really good. इसमें से वो rose वाला अगरबत्ती वाला smell जैसा आता है. So it smells really good and the whole soft material, I'm in love. इसके साथ मैंने 2-3 ऐसे कलमकारी वाले ब्लाउजेस सिलवाए हैं that I'll show you guys आगे. So this is really pretty. I really like it. It is plain simple sari but pairing it with kalamkari like blouses will like change the whole look. This kalamkari blouse and junk jewelry I mean like awesome. This saree doesn't come with blouse piece, so you have to get your blouse bahar se, but it is totally worth it. थोड़ा expensive है this brand because of whole sustainability thing. इसका starting price ही I guess is 2000 rupees sarees का, and it goes up. And इनके खुद के blouses भी है, but even they are expensive. Blouses are like 3000 rupees, so I thought I'll just get the piece from local store and get it stitched. And yeah, it's really nice and soft. Plain saree but really soft and nice saree. One of my favorite purchase this season. So moving on to blouses, तो मैंने सारे blouse piece अपने local store से लिया है and I got it stitched. So the first blouse that I want to show you guys is this one. It's a nice multicolored kalamkari work. It looks really nice. इसका front is like scoop नेक थोड़ा सा डीप, एंड इसके पीछे से इट जस्ट अ टाई. सो और कुछ नहीं, जस्ट हैव टू टाई ये दोनों को एंड में. सो इट्स रियली नाइस एंड सेक्सी. इट गिव्स रियली नाइस लुक. एंड इसके साथ आई विल वेयर दैट पिंक वाला साड़ी सूता का. इट विल लुक रियली ऑसम. आई लव कलमकारी वर्क वाला ब्लाउज, कलमकारी प्रिंट बेसिकली. सो आई एम टोटल लव. सो जितने भी ब्लाउजेस आई हैव इज लाइक कलमकारी ओनली, बिकॉज आई कैन देन पेयर द प्लेन साड़ीज विद दिस. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट blouse that I got. The whole print is like so pretty. The next one is quite similar but in like blue base color. So that one was like maroon and reddish के ऊपर whole print, and this is blue के ऊपर whole print. And इसके आगे there is like hook completely, and पीछे से it is like पतला सा strap. So it looks really nice, and all my blouses are padded, so I don't have to wear anything inside and fear about straps showing. So it's really nice. I love the whole color combination, and honestly kalamkari work wala blouses you can pair with anything and it will change the whole look. You can just wear the blouse, and agar matching ye navy blue color mein you get the skirt and get the dupatta, it will look like a lehenga. I mean you're good to go. You just have to get a skirt with this. Basic skirt. You don't have to like find a work wala skirt, kuch bhi. Just a plain skirt and this blouse and you're good to go. The next blouse that I have is this one. It is red and again multicolored में थोड़ा सा, and इसका front is like थोड़ा V-neck types and पीछे से it is diamond shape. तो ऊपर ऐसे hook है and नीचे tie करने के लिए है. So I love the whole color combination. Especially I can wear like off-white color sari या फिर yellow color sari and it will look so good. The whole blouse, and मेरे सारे blouses that I got is like मेरे elbow तक 3/4 sleeves वाला, and it looks so good. I have tried them all and it fits perfectly. It's a really nice piece. So definitely go and check out your local stores and try to find like kalamkari work wale blouses. You will find multiple designs. You can get those pieces and like stitch yourself a dress as well if you want to, and you can get blouses done as well. So really nice piece. Moving on to jewelry, the first jewelry piece that I got is this junk jewelry wala neck piece. I got it from Bhuleshwar Market. So if you haven't seen my Bhuleshwar vlog, I'll link it over here for you guys. And I got it from there to pair with my Suta sari and my kalamkari blouse, because uske saath junk jewelry will look really amazing. So I got this one, and I got this for 150 or 200 rupees. I don't remember exactly. And it's a nice heavy piece, so it looks really nice. I can wear this with my chikankari kurtas as well. So a really nice piece. The next thing that I got is like this earring, and this is like one of my favorite earrings right now because it is green and pink combination. So if I happen to wear any of the blouses with my Suta sari, I can definitely pair this particular earring. If you can see it, it looks really nice and थोड़ा tribal वाला feel देता है. It is really nice piece. So definitely check out Bhuleshwar Market यार. उनके पास इतना ज़्यादा quality और इतना amazing variety वाले pieces है that you will fall in love. बहुत कम रेट्स में बहुत अच्छे पीसेस मिल जाएंगे भुवनेश्वर मार्केट में. एंड द नेक्स्ट ज्वेलरी पीस दैट आई गॉट इज लाइक नॉट एग्जैक्टली pieces. They're like 2 rings, and again they are from Bhuleshwar Market. All the jewelry pieces that I got are from Bhuleshwar Market. So this is for 50 rupees. So if you go and see my vlog, you will know कि मैंने ये कहाँ से लिया है. So this is this ऑक्सीडाइज्ड वाला बीच में ब्लैक जेम के साथ रिंग ओवल शेप में, एंड दिस वन इज लाइक राउंड शेप में सिमिलर में कि बीच में ब्लैक जेम एंड कम्प्लीटली ऑक्सीडाइज्ड. सो लुक्स रियली नाइस. सो इफ यू जस्ट वेयर दिस, you're good to go. I'll just take this ring off while I'm wearing sari and wear this in my middle finger, and it will look so good with my whole junk jewelry vibe. एकदम बहुत अच्छा look देगा. So pairing junk jewelry with kalamkari blouses, it will look so good. You will totally love it. So definitely try out. So yeah, this is the one I got from Bhuleshwar Market. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked everything that I showed you guys for my Durga Puja. So that's it. So definitely go and check out your local stores to find some amazing gems that you won't get online. And definitely check out Bhuleshwar Market for all the jewelry pieces. I'll link the video in the I button here. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.